Tactical arbitration, step-by-step online sourcing /Amazon FBA. Today, technology has provided money-making opportunities. If you do a quick search online, you will find hundreds of ways to boost your side hustle and start a business to help you leave a job you hate. Over the years, I have tried a handful of different arbitrage methods, but only one has landed at the top of my list. Are you looking to earn some extra money as a digital nomad or lifestyle solopreneur? Online arbitrage is a great option. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos on helping you to make money online. Is selling online from comfort of your home your dream business? As a solopreneur, you don't fancy traveling the shop looking for bargain to manage a traditional retail arbitrage business. If that's the case, online arbitrage is likely a business venture you will love. You can start online arbitrage with a very small capital and do it as a side hustle. Buy online at discounted prices and sell the purchased products on Amazon at a higher price and make profits. Online arbitrage is lucrative and profitable business, so let's explore the opportunity further. Online arbitrage can be lucrative if done with the right tools. This can be done from anywhere in the world, and it has no limit on the amount of money you can make. However, it is incredibly selling on Amazon and reaching thousands of customers. Online arbitrage on Amazon allows you to shop for inventory via your online and resell the products to Amazon FBA warehouse at a profit. How can I start online arbitrage? To get started with online arbitrage, you are going to need a few things: a computer, an Amazon seller account, access to the internet, capital to invest into inventory. I suggest starting with $100. You need to open an Amazon seller account. Here is how to do that. Go to sellercentral.amazon.com and click sign up. Quick note: an Amazon seller account is going to cost you $39.99 a month. Sign up only when you are ready to start selling. If you already have an Amazon account, sign into it. Amazon is going to ask you a bunch of questions as you set up your account. You'll be asked to provide the following information upon registration for an account: business name and address, telephone number, bank account and tax information, social security number or EIN for a business. You will have access to the Seller Central dashboard and access to Amazon customer base. Search for discounted products to start your online arbitrage business. You need to buy discounted products to sell on Amazon. Instead of visiting bricks and mortar stores, go online and look for profitable deals at online retailers such as Walmart.com and Target.com. Head to an online retail store and search for items that are discounted and can be sold on Amazon. To engage in online arbitrage on Amazon, you will need to search Amazon website for the same products you want to purchase from your online discount stores. For example, if you find product X, Y, and Z on Target's website, check whether those same products X, Y, and Z are listed on Amazon or not. Look for products that sell for a higher price on Amazon. Let's assume that you can purchase products X and Z for $5.99 and product Y for $8.29 on Target.com. But on Amazon, Product X and Z are selling for $16.28 each, and product Y is selling for $8.29. It's evidence that selling product Y on Amazon will not bring in profit for you. Rather, sourcing products X and Y from Target.com and then selling them on Amazon at $17.28 each will generate high profit margin. The logic is simple. Always look for the product that sells for a higher price on Amazon. Other products and re-list via FBM or FBA. Once you identify the products that can generate profits when sold through the Amazon website, if they fit your criteria, place your order and have the items delivered to your doorstep. Release them on Amazon via Amazon FBM, fulfillment by merchant, or Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. Note: if you select FBA, you must repackage the products and ship them to the Amazon FBA fulfillment centers and wait for items to sell on Amazon. Once sold, collect the profits and repeat the process. Actually, the hardest part in the whole process is finding the deal to flip. Apart from that, rest of the process is easy. Amazon distributes the products on your behalf and deals with any customer issues that may arise. How to make money with online arbitrage? To earn money with online arbitrage, find discounted profitable products online. The first rule of thumb is to find what people want to buy. Follow these steps to get started with online arbitrage on Amazon. Number 1. Sign up for an Amazon seller account. Visit Amazon Seller Central and click on the Sign Up button. On the next page, you will see the list of documents and detailed information on Amazon policy. Proceed to create an account and register for an Amazon seller. You will have two options: individual and professional. For the individual plan, you don't need to pay any monthly charge, but you will pay a commission for every item you sell. For the professional plan, you need to pay $39.99 a month, but there will be no charge for each item you sold. Therefore, when your Amazon sales exceed $40 a month, it's a good idea to switch to the professional plan. You can also select FBM or Amazon FBA. Signing up for Amazon FBA means you don't have to worry about fulfilling the orders yourself. You just need to create a profitable inventory and ship the products to Amazon's warehouse. 2. Go to Blixig.com and search for deals. From the top menu, click on Deals. On the left side, Online, then select all retailers except Amazon. Look for the product with 40% plus discount to make a decent profit. Using Amazon online arbitrage, you will need to purchase products that are heavily discounted. Look for products with at least 40% plus discount products to make profits. Number 4, find products on Amazon and calculate the profitability. Once you have isolated the heavy discounted products that you want to sell through Amazon, it is time to check the profitability. Go to the Amazon and find the products one by one. For each product, check the selling price. The selling price on Amazon must be significantly higher than the discounted price. Now, use the Amazon FBA revenue calculator to calculate the exact profit you will earn and the profit margin you will enjoy. I also recommend checking the sales rank for each product and using the Jungle Scott Amazon Sales Estimator tool. This will give you a fair idea whether the product is in demand or not. Remember that if other Amazon sellers are selling the same product, they will be on the same product listing page. Assuming that there are 2 other arbitrage sellers, then you must divide the estimated numbers of sales by 3 to get a more realistic estimate of the number of sales you can expect per month. This is based on the assumption that all 3 will share the sales percentage. Number 5, list and ship to Amazon. After you have found a profitable product, purchase inventory, list them on Amazon and set your selling price. Ideally, select products that provide 40% to 50% return on investment. If you choose Amazon FBA, ship them to the Amazon warehouse. Where to source products for online arbitrage? Shop online if you have a specific online retailer in mind. However, I recommend using multiple sources for online shopping or online product hunting. Here is a quick list of online stores: CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, Target, Vistacost, Christmas Tree, Big Lots, Best Buy, DSW, Destiny Store, The Home Depot, Rite Aid, Sierra, Utah, Academy Sports plus Outdoor. Is online arbitrage easy? The answer is yes. Online arbitrage is easy. The only challenging part is finding profitable products. There are various tools like Jungle Scott for tactical arbitrage that you can use to easily find products and learn about a product's sales history, current sales, and ranking. These tools provide all information you need in a single place and assist you with buying decisions. Tools like tactical arbitrage tools are pretty expensive. You can quickly recover the investment because they allow certain parameters to ensure you find products that will give you high profit margin. Online arbitrage can be a profitable business if you have the necessary patience to find the right product. How much can I make by doing Amazon arbitrage? It all depends on the selling price and the velocity of the products you want to sell and the product procurement. Typically, you will make more money when the selling velocity is high and the procurement price is low. The first few months might be slow because it takes time to understand the supply chain and put all systems in place. However, once you master everything, you are in control of your earnings. Your potential through Amazon arbitrage will only be restricted by your time and capital invested. Online arbitrage is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to understand the system and then source the product that will sell at a higher price and make you money. Understanding Amazon's selling fee and finding the right tool are the key to success. As an Amazon seller, your best bet is to leverage tools that will help you find quick selling products and buy them at the lowest possible price. If you are sitting on the fence, let me say this: the barrier to entry is low with this business model. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos on helping you make money online and more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of making money online, and I will see you in the next. Bye.